Thursday morning, Goodwill. Been to Hampton. I got a few books, but nothing crazy. I feel like I've missed it here. It sounds kind of silly, but like I've missed it. They're doing like jackhammering over there, and sorry guys, it's probably really loud. Oh yeah, also the penny's gone. National penny shortage. The penny's gone, for those of you guys that don't know. Like weird fun facts. It's very interesting. I think it costs 2.2 cents to make a penny, from what I read. Not really fiscally responsible. I don't miss the days where I dig through the junk, but I swear they have some of the best junk in this bins. Take a peek at plush before I go. Yeah, that's adorable. Alien Stitch in like his pod, his like outfit thing. Take a little look. Stranger Things. Take a little peek and we'll go over to the books. The books look pretty empty, so let's see what's even over there. Oh my gosh, is this Madagascar? It looks like a Madagascar penguin. I've got to actually look that up because that's freaking adorable. I love Madagascar. It's one of my favorites. I'm like, do I pick this up? This is adorable. She's in pretty good shape. She's got a tag. She needs some spot cleaning, I think, but Miss Piggy. Oh, little Cloud Island. That's really cute. Cloud Island sells well on eBay. Also sells well. This is actually, I kind of want to comp this. I wonder, does it make sound? I'm not going to. It's too big. Sticking away from the really large plush. Little Sally, Nightmare Before Christmas. Oh my god, that's so cute. The little gingerbread. I might have to get that. Little Grinch. His tongue? No. Looks like he's sticking his tongue out. He's not in great shape. Oh no! Oh, his feet. I feel like I could fix that. Like I've never seen a Blastoise. I've got to at least show my partner because him and the boys are huge Pokemon fans. And they have collections, and obviously the legs are messed up on that one, so they may not be interested, but it's winter time. I could take on a project. Famous last words of every crafter among us. Oh, little Axolotl, so cute. I don't know if axolotls are still popular, but he's got some wear on him. Okay, cool. Well, some plushies. That's crazy. All right. Go look at books. Ooh. Okay. Okay. I can fix that. God, it's so empty. They're definitely going to be changing books. So that's good. I'll probably stick down here a little bit. I wonder if I can get her to tell me, oh man, that one's so cute, but it's damaged. Well, anyway. God, it's loud, guys. I'm going to go ahead and dig. I'll let you know how much I find. I'll show you my cart. And yeah, a little normal Thursday morning here, sourcing the bins. All right, you guys know the drill. Let's see if they stocked. He's doing it now. That's so exciting. Okay, I actually just got finished listing. Oh my gosh, I just remembered my hair. It looks crazy. Okay, don't look at my hair. I just got finished listing all of these textbooks. I'm sorry. It's late night. It's like dark outside and the night is winding down for me. But I wanted to get all of these books listed. Oh my gosh, my hair looks absolutely insane. So I got all these textbooks listed. I'm going to show you them in just a second. And my total listing value for them was $1,230. So $1,230. That was the total like listing value. Now, will all of those sell at that price? Probably not. I would say most of those are a lot of them will probably end up going on an offer. And then there'll be a handful, I'm sure, that over time I'll have to like adjust the pricing and relist. It'd be unrealistic to think that all of those are just going to sell right away, even with high sell-through rates. So $1,200 though, with after offers, let's just say it's $1,000, which is probably still low, but that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy. So here's what's listed. I've got all of these, and then I also just listed those there. So good bit. It's all done now. So that means that everything that I got from that textbook haul is officially listed or sold. So yeah, I packaged everything. So that was the other thing. So this is all of the books for the buyback. Ended up being 6 boxes, and that's because they want their boxes to be under 40 pounds. So all of these are just under 40 pounds, like 38, 39 pounds, but they're all listed, or I'm sorry, they're all packaged, and now all of that's done. So I can move on to another project, other things. I don't have to worry about, keeping track of that and making sure that I'm, keeping you guys in the loop, if anything. But yeah, I'll let you guys know as those sell over the next few weeks. And yeah, pretty exciting. Oh, also that means I made my listings over 100. So I officially have 103 listings on eBay. Crazy. I know that's wild for some of you guys that have like thousands and thousands of items in your store, but I run a very small eBay business, and I'm obviously bringing up my listings as I'm, working on growing my eBay business in general. But it's just funny because I haven't seen over 100 listings in like over a year or two. So kind of cool. Happy Tuesday, guys. I just realized I haven't really recorded at all for this week's video, but I'm here outside of the Goodwill bins in Hampton, about to go in, and the sun is absolutely blinding me. But I want to show you how many people are out here because it's Thanksgiving week and they're going to be closed on Thursday. And it's just so funny how many people are here today, and I'm here early, and it's just because I think we all know like we've got to get inventory in, but I'm gonna go in and source, and then I'm gonna go back to the office and check in with you guys and let you guys know like what's been happening this week, what's sold, what's going on. It'll be a short video. Hope you guys are having a good holiday. When you're seeing this, it's probably Friday, so hopefully you had a good Thanksgiving yesterday, but let's go ahead and pop on in. All right, pretty happy with that haul. Got 2 bags, and this whole bag from like this little stack all the way down, which is a huge bag, is all Babysitters Club. I just found a ton of Babysitters Club. Really excited about that. I'll typically sell those for $2 to $3. Some of the ones that are higher in the series, I'll typically start a little higher, like $3, and then I'll lower everything else down to 2, or after they haven't sold for a while, they'll go down to 2. But really happy. Some good little vintage things in here as well. So overall, pretty solid haul. A little bit, definitely worth the drive. Some good like chapter books. Just a couple picture books, some cookbooks. Very minimal, but enough to make it worth it. Now I'm gonna go try to get some boxes. All right, guys, we are back in the office. I am gonna do a really quick recap for you all on this past week, and then we're gonna call it a day. I know this was a really short video and probably not a whole lot for you to see here, but I wanna let you guys know what sold on eBay real quick. So over here, I'll put a little screenshot or something of what's sold this week, or since the last time I've seen you. It hasn't been a lot of sales, but it's been some good sales. I will say today that when I'm filming this, I have these 2 sales, which is really awesome. It's actually the same book. It's 2 hardcover with a folio box set type thing, signed copies of Twilight. So those are really, really cool. Just to find a hardcover Twilight in general is really hard, but to find this in a box set, really clean copy, signed by the author, really, really cool finds. One accepted an offer for $40 and the other one sold at full price. So very happy with both of those sales, but those listings are starting to pay off, which is great. I just need to get more up. I haven't been listing, not out of like I've been lazy or like I haven't thought about it per se. It's just that I just haven't listed since the last time I saw you. So normally like Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays would kind of be those listing days for me. So we haven't gotten to that part of the week yet. It is only Tuesday when I'm filming this. And the reason why I'm filming so early is 1, because we have Thanksgiving on Thursday, and 2, because I actually finished all of my packing from Saturday's show really early yesterday. Very good goal of mine. I've been wanting to hit that packing goal of finishing on Mondays or finishing very early on Tuesdays. And I was really really happy yesterday to be able to finish that. So I'm wrapping up the video with you guys today, and I just prepped up my Tuesday show over here. So I'll be doing some listing tomorrow, and then I'll be taking Thursday off to spend time with my family, of course, and then Friday be back in not doing any listing, actually doing a huge Black Friday stream. So I am going to be live from, I think I have it starting at 2 p.m. Eastern time. I may move it up. It may be the same. I'm really not sure, but around 2 p.m. Eastern time on Friday. I'll be streaming for as long as I possibly can, as long as I'm still making sales, because they are doing 0% commissions on Friday. So if you are new to Whatnot, or you are a seller on Whatnot and you didn't hear, any shows on Friday from 12 to 12, Friday to Saturday morning, basically 12 a.m., you will get 0% commission. You do still need to pay that 2.9% processing fee and 30 cents on every transaction, but the overall 8% commission is waived. So 0% commission fees. So what that means is I'm doing a really big show on Friday, and then I'm doing a teeny tiny little 1-hour stream on Saturday for something else. I'm doing basically like a Cyber Saturday, Black Friday, like fun thing that I'm going to do. But my main show will be on Friday. So super small show today. And then some, like I said, some listing tomorrow, off on Thursday, full show on Friday. So that's kind of like the lineup for the week. But yeah, so that's kind of where we're at. I have some exciting news, and I'll obviously talk about this more as I get into it. But in the first week or two of December, I'm actually going to be taking on a consignment, I don't even know what to call it, because it just literally just happened. We've been talking about it for a few weeks, but we just got the go ahead. Basically, without getting into too much details, there is a large plethora of resellable items, varieties of items, all different niches and categories, in a couple of rooms, and I've been asked to come in and to liquidate it, to get it gone, to sell it. So I'm going to be doing some fun shows, maybe once every week or every other week, kind of liquidating all of that stuff until it's gone. So I'm really excited about that. So I'll be focusing a little bit of my time on that for sure. But outside of that, it is business as usual. Whatnot's been decent. eBay's been okay. I just need to get listing a little bit more. Still no listings on Facebook or anything yet. It just hasn't been quite in the realm of what I want to be doing. I want to have kind of like a handful of items to list instead of just one or two, which I have so much, but it's in that other room and I'm just not focused on that. I'm really book heavy right now. So yeah, that's kind of the update. That's where we're at. I know this video was probably a little bit different. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Again, you should be seeing this video on Friday. Again, today, if you are seeing this video, I'm going to be live on Whatnot almost all day. If you want to come pop in and say hi or just see how it's going, I will catch you guys next week with another reselling related video, updates, and fun, exciting things. Hopefully have a wonderful week until I see you then. Bye.